What if you could take any successful YouTube channel pulling millions of views, feed its data into an AI, and get a complete structural analysis of its script, visuals, and content system in under an hour? No camera required, no prior editing experience, completely free. In the next few minutes, I will show you exactly how to execute this analytical workflow using Claude AI and a single master prompt. You will learn how to strategically generate an enhanced script, create precise image prompts, and produce high-quality motion video clips. Let us get straight into it. Open your browser and head to Claude AI. You do not even need a paid account to optimize this process. First, you need the master prompt, which serves as the core engine powering this entire enhancement system. I have linked it in the description. Copy the whole thing and paste it into Claude. It is intentionally comprehensive because every line tells Claude exactly how to deeply analyze and replicate a channel's structural framework. Hit enter. Claude will immediately ask you which channel you want to model. For this instructional breakdown, I am using Simple Actually, a channel with 349,000 subscribers and millions of views from just 152 uploads. Paste your target channel link into the chat. Claude will then ask you to provide the video transcripts. Go to your target channel and open 3 to 4 of its most popular videos. Click the More button beneath the video and select the option to show the transcript. Toggle off the timestamps to ensure you have a clean text file, then copy the raw text. You can also utilize the free vidIQ browser extension, which offers a convenient one-click copy transcript button for better efficiency. Paste these transcripts into a blank Google Doc, clearly labeling each with its specific video title. Select all the text in your document, copy it, and paste it back into Claude, then hit enter. Watch the analytical engine work. Claude reads the comprehensive data and breaks down the channel's exact structural DNA, detailing the hook style, narrative pacing, average word count, and optimal retention techniques. You are not just blindly copying a topic, you are learning the mathematical blueprint of why this specific channel succeeds. If you do not have a video topic yet, simply type the command asking to generate 25 video ideas. Claude will provide a comprehensive list perfectly matched to the channel's niche and enhancement style. Pick the one that excites you the most and send it back to Claude. Claude will then build a complete structural breakdown for your chosen topic. Just type yes, and Claude will systematically write a complete word-for-word enhanced video script. The word count, pacing, and hooks will perfectly mirror your target channel's proven metrics. Copy this generated script, save it securely to your Google Doc, and type done in Claude. Now we need Claude to deeply analyze the channel's visual identity. Go to your target channel's videos and take a few screenshots of the actual playing footage, making sure to avoid the thumbnails. Upload these captured images to Claude and type the phrase images attached. Claude will thoroughly analyze the precise color palette, dynamic lighting, and technical scene composition. Claude will then generate a highly detailed AI image prompt for every 5 to 8 seconds of your script. Copy all of these strategic prompts and save them to your master Google Doc. Tell Claude it is all good when you are finished. Head over to the Google Flow website and create a free account. Open a brand new project and paste your first prompt directly into the chat bar. Set your aspect ratio to a standard 16:9 widescreen format, choose your variation amount, and select the Nano Banana 2 generation model since it is completely free to use. Hit generate. In mere seconds, you will have a high-quality watermark-free image. Repeat this efficient workflow for all your prompts and save them in an organized folder on your computer. Back in Claude, it will ask if you want specific video motion prompts. Type yes, and Claude will analytically take your static image prompts and write dynamic camera instructions. Save these to your document. Next, open the free Meta AI video generation tool and click the Create button. Upload your generated static image, paste the exact matching motion prompt from Claude, and hit Send. Your still image is now a dynamic video clip. Download the file. You will notice it has a system watermark. but here is a proven technical workaround to cleanly remove it. Go back to the Meta AI tab where your video is playing. Right-click near the player and select Inspect to open the developer tools. Click the small cursor arrow icon at the top left of the developer panel, then click directly on the video player on your screen. A specific line of raw HTML code will highlight on the right. Right-click it and choose Copy, then Copy Element. Open ChatGPT and type the command MP4 URL followed by a colon. Then paste the raw HTML code right next to it. Hit Send. ChatGPT will instantly extract a clean, direct MP4 download link. Paste that optimized link into a new browser tab, hit Enter, and your clean, unwatermarked video will dynamically play. Click the three dots and hit Download, repeating this optimization for every clip. Go back to Claude for the final visual phase. It will ask for thumbnail references. Screenshot 2 to 3 high-performing thumbnails from your target channel, upload them, and type thumbnails attached. Claude analyzes the structural layout, typography, and color schemes, then provides you with new optimized concept prompts. Pick your favorite, take that prompt to Google Flow, set it to 16 by 9 with 4 variations, and generate. Download your favorite option in high resolution. Finally, Claude will ask if you want to compile everything into one document. Type Yes, and Claude will generate a master structural file of your entire project. Download it for your comprehensive offline records. That is the full analytical system in action. With one master prompt, a few transcripts, and a handful of screenshots, Claude AI strategically builds your entire enhanced content pipeline. Google Flow handles the images, Meta AI animates the motion, and ChatGPT optimizes the final export. No paid software, no complex coding, and absolutely no face needed on camera. If this technical workflow breakdown helped you scale your content, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next tutorial.